Do you often feel like you're running on empty, even with a good night's sleep? Ever find yourself questioning why you're constantly tired? There might be hiding in a frequently ignored issue, a deficiency in vitamin D. As we set off on journey to understand and tackle fatigue and vitamin D deficiency, let's take inspiration the sunny smile and natural wellness secrets of Hollywood's guru, Gwyneth Paltrow. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in our bodies. It aids in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, promoting bone health. But did you know it also influences our energy levels and mood? A deficiency in vitamin D can result in fatigue, a lowered immune system, and even feelings of depression. Gwyneth Paltrow, an Oscar-winning actress and founder of the wellness brand Goop, is no stranger to vitamin D deficiency. She herself experienced symptoms and has since become a vocal advocate for natural remedies and lifestyle changes to combat this condition. One of Paltrow's recommended strategies is embracing the outdoors. Sunshine is our body's primary source of vitamin D. Exposure to sunlight for even 15 to 20 minutes a day can help increase vitamin D levels. Another natural remedy Paltrow promotes is the consumption of vitamin D-rich foods. Foods like fatty fish, cheese, egg yolks, and beef liver are excellent sources of vitamin D. For our vegan friends, mushrooms, fortified non-dairy milk, and certain types of algae can boost your vitamin D intake. Paltrow also advocates for regular exercise. Physical activity not only helps improve mood and energy levels, but also promotes the production of vitamin D. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a yoga session, or a vigorous spin class, find a form of exercise that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Lastly, Paltrow emphasizes the importance of self-care and stress management. High stress levels can contribute to vitamin D deficiency. Simple practices like meditating, taking a warm bath, or reading a good book can help manage stress levels and improve overall well-being. To summarize, overcoming fatigue and vitamin D deficiency doesn't require expensive pills or treatments. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes sunlight exposure, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and self-care. The journey to vitality and wellness is within everyone's reach, just as Gwyneth Paltrow discovered on her own health journey. Remember, it's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. Take the first step towards a healthier, more energized you today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of natural remedies and lifestyle changes to boost vitality and overcome vitamin D deficiency. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.